Nationwide Building Society Honest App. The pros, the cons. If you're a UPI banking customer, the Nationwide Building Society app promises easy access to your accounts and financial services, but how well does it actually deliver? One of the biggest pros is convenience. Most people get this wrong by thinking mobile banking is only for checking balances. With Nationwide's app, you can view statements, transfer funds, pay bills, and set up savings goals on the go. Features like instant balance notifications and spending summaries help you stay in control of your finances. Another advantage is security. The app uses multi-factor authentication and encryption to protect your information. You can quickly freeze your card if lost or stolen, adding peace of mind for everyday banking. However, there are cons. Some users report occasional login issues, and certain advanced banking features like mortgage applications or investment management may still require desktop access or branch visits. The app's interface is functional, but not as modern or intuitive as some other UK banking apps. In conclusion, the Nationwide Building Society app is a reliable option for everyday banking with solid security and essential features. The surprising truth is that while it handles most standard banking needs well, complex financial services may require additional platforms or personal interaction. For UT customers looking for a straightforward, secure banking experience, Nationwide delivers, but heavy users may notice limitations compared to other full-service banking apps.